Yeah, recording in progress. Last week we started with boys, and we tried to look at, you know, how interesting the boys are. But at the same time, I really found out that yeah, people find it nice, but some people find it confusing as easy as it is as well. I'll just go back to how we started, which we looked at this definition, but we looked at difference between the IALA Buoyage region A and region B as well. And the reason I'm saying this is because there have been oral reports that I've seen, and then the examiner puts you on a ship and then puts several boys and asks you to navigate, and then people are going confused. And they're going confused not because of anything, but it's just because of they've not asked the right question before they start navigating the vessel. So interactive class. First thought, Hotel. Tell me, you are given a vessel and you're given different boys, lateral boys. What's the first question that will come to your mind? Before you start navigating in between boys, in exam or real life?
Yes, and even sir, before I start navigating and having boys, lateral boys, I think one of the first questions that I'll ask myself is, am I proceeding inbound or am proceeding outbound? Then two, I'll ask myself, which region am I? Am I region A or region B? Then that will guide me on my what to do.
Exactly. That's the point. Thank you very, very much for those two wonderful and I would say powerful points as well. Once you're able to really capture, first of all, is am I inbound or am I outbound? Because of course, outbound is always the opposite of what you're going to do inbound as well. Then the second one is region A and region B. Opposite in the terms of color, but not in the terms of shape as well, which we had someone last week who was able to really try and tell us that, see, as long as it's a can or as long as it's a cone, you're going to put yourself in one side, which is a question I'm going to ask or ask everyone now, so I don't want to say the answer. But yeah, body system, you have to look out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. Which is the lateral marks, which is the cardinal marks, isolated data mark, the safe water mark, and the special marks. Another question that I seriously like, as we discussed last week, was the characteristics of the lights. How is the light going to be coming? Some of them will be flashing, some of them will be quick flashing. I don't want to something interesting I want to do today. I'm not going to buttress much on this as well. So lateral marks, can and cone. Is it different region A and region B, or is the same? Beatrice, JJ. Yeah, FH, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, for lateral marks, for both region A and B, the shape remains the same, but what changes the color?
What changes is the color, exactly, thank you. So we always have cone and we always have can on the port side and then cone on the starboard, no matter the region. So region A and region B, it will be different as well. Now, I want to shift this away and come down to our cardinal marks. We have the North Cardinal Mark, we have this East Cardinal Mark, we have the South Cardinal Mark, and we have the West Cardinal Mark. And there is a reason why I put this right there. the place I call the point of interest. What does the point of interest mean? Anyone?
I think that, sorry, the point of interest, as you mark it, is indicating the point at which the observer is, and that will determine where the observer will pass and leave the cardinal voice.
Are you sure? Please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Okay, there. I can say that the point of interest is where the point of interest is the place we should take caution. Maybe there's where the danger lies, so we should be careful about it. Over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Prince got the answer. Yeah, I think we can hear you. Prince got the answer. It's the danger side. It's where the danger is. It's where you are going to be observing. I mean, it's where you are going to be avoiding. The observer is not meant to be there in any way, at all. So, JJ, maybe I didn't understand you, but you will not. That is a place that you want to avoid. If that's understood, just like Prince said, the point of interest is always
yes, that's
where
what I mean, sir.
Sir? Sorry, come again.
I said that is what I mean, the focus points of danger where the observer need to avoid.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. So where the observer needs to avoid, that's where exactly you're going to see the points of danger as well. So let's bring it into practical terms here. Somebody help me. You are right there on the northwest, right there on the northwest, and you see the North Cardinal Mark. You see the North Cardinal Map. What are you going to do?
Can I talk, sir?
Yeah, you're coming from northwest. You're coming from northwest. If you see that line from NW and you see the North Cardinal Map, what's your action?
It means I should alter my course to port so that I can pass the northern part of the buoy.
Exactly. Thank you very much. You pass the northern part of the buoy. So if you see, so can another person help me? You're coming from southwest. You're coming from southwest. Southwest, what are we going to do? Where are we altering to?
Sir, can I still talk again, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, since I'm coming from the southwest, then I will have to still alter my course to port in order not to pass the south of that buoy. Because if I alter my course to starboard or keep my course, then I'll be passing the south, which might be making me to go through towards the danger.
Do you mean coming from southwest, bro?
Yes, if I'm coming from southwest, I have to alter my course to port side, so as to go through the port side of the Cardinal Mark and then probably go towards the northern part. But if I follow starboard side,
wait. What's the question?
The question is, if I'm coming from southwest and I sight the northern
No. I said you sight the south buoy.
Okay, if I sight the south buoy, that means I should alter my course to starboard so as to pass the southern part of the buoy, sir.
That's correct. Prince, your hand is up.
Yeah, I think he has answered about answering that. Over.
Okay. So let's look at it from another angle. Another person, let me know what you do. You are southeast and you see the North Cardinal Mark. Prince. You're coming from southeast and you see the North Cardinal Mark. Anyone in the house?
Okay. You are coming from the southeast and you are sighting the North Cardinal Mark. My action is to alter my course to starboard, sir, so as not to pass the south of that buoy, sir.
Okay, let's just break it down. Let's calm down and break it down. So you're coming from southeast.
Yes, sir.
And then you
Yes,
see
sir.
the North Cardinal Mark.
That's correct, sir.
Can you bring? I wish there's a way I have a drawing board here, but bring the southeast. Yeah.
Okay, I mean, okay, now citing the North Cardinal Mark shows me that there is kind of a danger or not a navigable area on the south of that buoy.
And where are you?
And I'm on the southeast. So I'm kind of on the south of the buoy already. So I have to alter my course to starboard so that as to keep clear of the southern part of the buoy.
Yeah, I see your arguments there, but there's something I'm seeing there as well. But I'll just keep my thoughts. Does anybody have any objection or opinion to that? All right, wait. Let's have the discussion. If we have the south, if you are coming from southwest, the south, and the southeast, where I see you at the point of interest already.
Okay.
I see you at the point of danger.
Okay.
You get what I mean? So
yes,
the only
sir.
thing you just need to do now is, if you're coming towards that point of danger, at this point, you do not know exactly which way to go.
All right, sir.
So if it's something that, let's look at it from another angle. Your answer, which is alter course to starboard,
yes, sir,
is perfect if it was an East Cardinal Mark. So East Cardinal Mark, you alter course to where?
East Cardinal Marks means I should go
You're coming from southeast. You're coming from southeast.
Yes, sir.
And you see the East Cardinal Mark. What are you going to do?
It's telling me to go through the east, so I'm going to alter my course to my starboard, sir.
You alter your course to starboard and you clear away from the point of interest. You clear away from the danger side.
That's correct, sir.
Is that correct? So now
yes,
you see the East Cardinal Mark and you're coming from the southwest.
Okay. If I'm coming from the southwest and I sight the East Cardinal Mark, actually, as for me, I will still alter my course to starboard also.
Okay.
Because altering my course to port side will make me to be passing through the point of interest somehow. So altering my course to starboard will make me to keep clear from the point of interest and will make me to be able to go through the eastern part of the buoy.
Yeah, I'm following you. But have you seen us also in a situation where, if you are close to the buoy already, in the case that you are seeing the buoy already, and your SW is where I have the point of interest?
Okay, in such cases, then possibly I can take all way off my ship.
How are you going to know such cases? Are we going to wait for there? Are we going to wait till we get there before is try to
No,
assume.
you said since I've observed the boy and I'm already closer to the boy.
Yeah, we've seen this boy by sight as well. How close do you think you see the boy before you can assume there's a danger and you need to alter? So you've seen this boy from your bridge as well, and you're right there from southwest. It's not like a tricky question, but to be honest, someone failed today, and this was kind of an elementary stuff that got him in trouble as well. If at any case you at this point you're fully in doubt of whether you are in the danger zone,
Okay, sir.
because once you are on the western side of an east buoy, anything that takes you to the western side of an east buoy, be it northwest, be it west, or be it southwest, you are already very
On the
close,
danger.
if not on the danger.
Okay, sir.
So for us now as the skipper or as the master, for you now to start analyzing, am I close enough? I can take a starboard and I take a port. Why make assumption based on informations you are not sure of, based on scanty informations? Why not take the safe route and just take all the way off and find yourself in a way where you can be in a safe zone on the eastern side of the east board?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
you want to ask a question?
Yeah, so your final verdict on it is to take all way off.
If you find yourself either on northwest, west, or southwest of an east buoy,
Yes, sir.
and you're
I'm listening, sir.
already seeing it, you are already very close or on the danger zone.
Okay.
Are you following me?
Yes, I'm following you, sir. So all I'm to do is to take all way off my ship, sir.
Once you
Got
do it, you realize, oh, you are already on the danger zone, and you are to take all the way off and find yourself on the navigable safe side on the eastern side.
Thank you, sir. That's a very, very good action to take. I also thought of that actually.
It's the
But
same as well. It's the same as well once we see a north cardinal mark. If we see a north cardinal mark and we are coming from southwest, the south or the
southeast, yes,
and
or
you
from the
see
south.
the mark as well, you are just going towards the danger, and you are so close to it's either you are close to the danger. So it doesn't really tell you how far, how close, how small, how big, but just get out.
Okay, sir. Okay, so I get the picture. I get the picture, sir. And
So
same principle applies to the west and also to the south cardinal or the other cardinal, depending on the angle at which you see them and how close you're seeing them.
exactly, but this is always my mental picture when I'm faced with boys. It doesn't have to be the 4 cardinal marks that I see. I only just need to see one, and then I draw the line and circle whatever I'm doing. Don't just get inside it, get away from it.
Okay.
So if I'm coming from inside it, that means I'm already inside it already. And it's just like tropical revolving storm. Just find your way and get out of it.
Okay,
as well.
All right, so thank you so much. I really appreciate that, sir.
Yeah. Like I said, it's really confusing. Sometimes we play with it dangerously, exam or even in real life, and we might not know. Yeah, so let's speak again. Northeast, West Cardinal boy. Anybody? What's your action?
So I'm in the northeast. Okay.
JJ, go ahead.
No, I'm just saying, I did not hear the question, sir.
So you see where my northeast line is coming. Yeah.
Yes,
Just assume now that
yes,
your ship is in between that long line. Your ship is in between the long. Look at the length of the line and put put the ship just right in between. I think the next guy to be play board that I'll use. But now let's put our ship just right there in between, and we see a west cardinal mark. Action.
Okay. If the vessel continues movement like that, it means the vessel is going into the danger. And me seeing the west cardinal point, if I continue like that, that means I want to pass through the danger. But at this point, I will not make assumption, and I will not make assumption at this point. I will take my way off. I will take my way off and find another route to pass and pass through the west side.
Exactly. It's the answer. Thanks for that. The answer is you take a way off, and as far as practicable as you can, give a very wide distance and find yourself on the western side of the west board. Is that okay as well?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, what we just want to avoid is going closer in whatever direction you are coming, which is opposite. Prince, your hand is up.
The answer is correct. I was about saying that if I'm in such situation, I will make a stop and call the master, then he advise on what to do. But I believe it's still same thing like taking your way off, make a bold alteration to another direction. Over. Confirm, hear me, sir?
Yeah, exactly.
Can you hear me, sir?
I hear you loud and clear. I hear you loud and clear as well. You can take the way off. You can call the master as well. I think the examiner, well, there's an examiner I normally look at what just wants you to do first of all is take that way off and slow down your speed first, then take whatever way to be able to really assess the situation and take as much practical distance away from the eastern side of the western board or the opposite side of the cardinal board, which in retrospect it just means don't just continue steering and just alter. Whatever you're doing now is really going to be a very large action in order for you not to land yourself in that danger zone. But the real fact that we really want to point out here is I am heading towards the danger. I'm already in the dangerous side of it. Because if you're coming from the southwest and there's a wreck right ahead of you and you see a North Cardinal boy, you don't know how big this wreck is. So making just alterations port of starboard based on I'm fine to just take a starboard alteration without really having a situational awareness that you are already in that danger zone might be detrimental to the vessels and to the cruiser as well. So for OWs and for the chief mates as well, you have to call the master. We don't have anybody to call. We make decisions based on that. Does anybody have any questions to ask regarding that? All right, I think that was kind of tricky. Now let's come down to yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I want to ask a question. Like in a live risk, is it possible for we to have a situation whereby we have more than one cardinal mark practically within a zone at the time?
More than one cardinal mark. Is it different mark or the same mark?
Different. Like you're having north, you're having, within a zone at the time.
Yeah, I have seen that. I have seen that in I don't know which chart I saw that. Is it English channel or so? But yeah, I've seen such situations, and you might be having such situations in the western side. Okay, let's assume you have the west cardinal mark and you have the north cardinal mark, and you are right there coming from northwest. as well. What's our option?
Please, I'll come back with the question again, sir.
You see the north cardinal mark and you see the west cardinal mark, and you're coming from northwest. You see where my NW is. What's our option?
Okay.
Then I alter my course to starboard side.
From the northwest, you alter your course to starboard side.
Yes, or I alter my course to port side. Either way, depending on the direction of where I'm going to.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, same you, Adetunji. Let's now remove the west cardinal mark. Yeah?
Okay.
Remove the west cardinal mark and see the north cardinal mark. Where we alter to?
Okay. Then I alter my course to port, sir, since it's the north cardinal marks I'm seeing.
Good. JJ, I remove the north and I put only west. Where we alter to?
Which direction am I coming up from, sir?
Same northwest.
Okay, you remove the north and you have west. That means the safe area is on the western part of the west
exactly.
side.
So that's where you can really have scenarios where so you can take a bold alteration to pass the northern part of the buoy. They will put a north cardinal mark for you that okay, the northern part is safe, and of course the western part of this is safe. So you can have, but I really, like I said, slightly. I've not seen much of it, but I think I've seen it in 1 or 2 charts. But you can see now the difference, how it helps. JJ.
I've also seen it where the 4 cardinal marks are placed somewhere on the chart also. The 4 cardinal marks. So which means depending on the direction where you are coming from, you have to take action to avoid, there is something in between that place that you have to avoid somehow.
Exactly. Thanks for that. And also it kind of helps to increase your options as well. So you can see when I give you 2 scenarios of the north and west, you have 2 options. And Identity was quick to tell me, I'll take port or I'll take starboard, which is good. And I took out 1, and you see you have just 1 option. But now when you see the 4, you have multiple options. So that's why sometimes we might be able to see such different cardinal marks being placed around a danger point of interest. JJ, do you understand that?
Yeah, well clear.
That's good. Any other question before I move ahead? Okay, so what if we have 2 cardinal marks of the same direction? When I mean 2 cardinal marks of the same direction, I mean 2 norths on the same place. What does it mean?
It means you just keep on to your notes, like.
I know.
Just.
A tricky question for a tricky answer. Thank you very much. Yeah, of course, keep to your note. but I mean, in retrospect, why did they put 2? Why 1 is much more than enough for me to really know that keep to your note.
I believe the reason why they put 2 is just to lay more emphasis that you have to go more to north if you are kind of altering your course to.
It's new danger. If there is a new danger that has not been marked, you will find such situations there. And I really brought that up so you don't, when you see north and south, I mean when you are expecting something like JJ just asked now north and west, and you see north and north, I don't want to get confused. It's a new danger that has not been marked yet, and it's just something that is bringing much more to your notice that you might have passed here yesterday, but something happened between yesterday and today as well. So
all right, thank you, sir.
Yeah. The next set of questions are for my OOWs in the house, because I still remember back 2012, that was when I did my OOW. And gosh, I was having nightmares with these questions because this was Captain Balogun's question. If anybody okay, knows Captain Balogun as well. At night, we can't see the North Cardinal Map. What are we going to see?
The rhythm of the light.
White
We are
light.
going
Okay,
to
we
see a
just
white
slow
light.
down. Just slow down. Let's break it down. Rhythm of the light. So let's start with rhythm of the light. Who's the rhythm of the light? Let's complete it for us.
Okay, rhythm of the light is continuous flashing.
Continuous flashing.
Yes.
Just continuous flashing.
15 minutes, 50 seconds, I mean, sorry. Continuous flashing, 50 seconds, white light.
Yeah, white light. Continuous quick flashing. Is that what you want to say?
Sorry. Yes, continuous quick flashing. Sorry for not adding that to it.
Like I said,
It can be.
Yeah.
It can be quick, it can be very quick also.
Thank you. That's
Yes.
what
It can be quick or very quick.
Yes, it
Very
can be
quick,
quick and very quick.
continuous flashing in the night. What color?
White, sir.
White.
Exactly. White. So let's come down to west. What color?
White also, sir.
White. Okay. Reading.
Very.
What?
Very quick.
It will be a very quick. It can be very quick or quick flash.
Very quick.
No. West. West is 9.
Very quick flash.
Just break it down. Let's
West
just
is
do
9.
it one by one, so we know who is talking. So I don't assume that JJ is the one telling me what Prince is telling me. So
Okay,
Prince, are you the
can I
one?
talk?
Okay,
JJ
JJ,
talk?
Go ahead.
give me one, not more than one. So let's see.
Okay, for the west.
Yeah.
For the west, it can be very quick or quick flash. 9 times. For the very quick, it should be about 10 seconds. And for the quick flash, it should be for 15 seconds.
60 seconds work.
Duration.
Do you mean to say every? Or come again. Just flash back again. Yeah.
Okay, I said for the west, it can be very quick flash or quick flash.
Very quick flash or quick flash. How many?
Or
In
quick
how many
flash.
seconds? What do we mean by
9. 9. 9 times in 10 seconds for the very quick flash. And for the quick flash, you fit 9 times in 15 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, we're getting there. Not as much as I want, but I will still frame it up and we'll see the full answer. So let's come down again. South.
Okay. Can I answer that of the south?
Yes, please.
South is.
Okay. The south is we have a very quick 6 flashes plus 1 long flash every 10 seconds.
Come again.
Very quick flashes, 6 flashes plus 1 long flash.
Yeah, that's more like it. For what? What
South.
sequence?
For the south, that is south Cardinal Mark.
South
Every
Cardinal Map.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. But what I'm just trying to get everybody to really say is very quick flashing for how many seconds? So now let's come back to
That is
this
10
out.
seconds.
10 seconds.
Yes.
For what?
For that of south. Very quick flashing, 10 seconds.
I don't know. Just assume I'm your examiner. I'm doing that all dots listening to 1 second. South Cardinal Map at night. What will you see?
I will cite a white light.
Yeah.
Very quick flashing, 6 flashes. Every 10, plus 1 long flash every 10 seconds. Or quick flashing every 15 seconds.
What's quick flashing?
6 quick flashing plus 1 long flash every 15 seconds.
Does anybody want to try?
Captain, that's for the South Cardinal Map.
Yeah.
White light flashes, 6 flashes plus 1 long flash. 6 flashes. Very quick 6 flashes plus 1 long flash every 10 seconds, or quick 6 flashes plus 1 long every 15 seconds.
Thank you very much. That's more like it. JJ, do you see the slight discrepancy I was trying to correct there in your answer?
Okay.
Is it for or for every?
Okay, for every. That's using the right preposition.
No, because when you say for, it means that we are elongating the time. But is it every 15 seconds? So I wait for 15 seconds and I see a quick flash. Or I wait for 60 seconds. But it's different from, I'm looking at the time now for 10 seconds. I'm really very conscious of this so that I really understand the in-depth and not, make a blunder. Because like I said, it was my nightmare of me understanding, was it for, was it every? So let's come back again to that west. JJ, now give me the answer. Let me hear. West Cardinal Mark, what are you going to see at night?
I would say a white flash, a very quick flash. 9 very quick flash for every 10 seconds for a very quick flash, or a quick flash 9 times for every 15 seconds.
Thank you. That's exactly that's just it as plain and easy as plain as anything. Anyone will be able to really understand this model like this now. So let's go. East Cardinal Map. Who wants to go for it?
Okay, let me go.
Yeah, OS. Oscar, Sarah, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Cap.
Good evening. I can't hear you. Go ahead. I think network is not allowing us to try. Okay, another person can try.
Okay, can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let me try. Okay, it's a Cardinal Mark. At night, I will see white light flashing very quick 3 lights every 10 seconds, or 15 quick flash every 15 seconds.
15 quick flash every 15 seconds. Is that what you said?
Three quick flash every 15. No, I said 3 quick flash every 15 seconds.
Perfect. Perfect. That's it. 3 quick flash every 15 seconds, or 3 quick very flash. I mean, 3 very quick flash. Yeah, sorry, grammar. 3 very quick flash every 10 seconds. And trust me, once we are able to like go over and practice all this, the only easy one, the easiest one is just the North Cardinal Map. You know, continuous flashing of the light, of the white light, very quick, or quick as well. But when you come down, let's try and understand.
Please, sir, I don't think that where east is correct, sir.
Maybe I did. Yeah, what did this? Oh, hey, please come again with your east. And let's see what this is saying.
Okay, I said east is 3 quick white. First of all, white light, 3 quick flash, 3 quick flash every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds. While, or I say, or 15, 3 flash every 15 seconds. Very quick flash.
No. I see where.
Very quick flash every 15 seconds.
It's not 15, but look at it, Prince. If you have quick in 10 seconds, why are we having very quick in 15 seconds?
Okay. Okay.
Are you seeing what I'm saying?
So
yeah, I please correct us. Let's see.
Okay, sir. So the correct light should be white light, very quick, 3 every 5 seconds, and quick every 3 flashes every 10 seconds.
3 quick flashes every 10 seconds, very quick 3 flashes every 5 seconds for the East Cardinal Map. Prince, did you get that?
Okay.
Can you say it now?
Very well, thank you. Yeah, copy, thank you.
Can you say it now?
Thank you. Okay, he said, first of all, I will see white light. Quick, 3 quick flash every 5 seconds. Am I right? Yep.
No, every 10 seconds.
Okay, sorry.
Don't worry, it's
okay, every
into the system. It will get into the system. It's kind of that's why I said it's kind of an interesting one, but it really gets into the system as well. But I would just say start from quick, then move to very quick. I know that very quick must of course be lesser than, you know.
Okay, there. Okay.
As well. So
right.
JJ, you are raising your hand.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I just want to make a contribution in one of the things that we use in learning the cardinal. You know, we place the cardinal as if we are placing a wall clock, which the north stand for the 12, the east stand for 3, the south stand for 6, and the west stand for 9, just as we have our hours in 12. And the north, which is 12, is we take it as a continuous. We take east as 3, you know, just the direct 3. We take south as 6, and we take west as 9. And for the north, we always say that black over yellow. For the south, we said yellow over black. We say black is greater than yellow for north. For the east, we said, for the south, we say yellow is greater than or bigger than for the black, as the case may be. And for the east, we always say yellow in the middle, and west, we always say black in the middle. So those are just the small tips that we use in quickly remembering some of all these cardinal marks then that we are still doing OW.
Yeah, that was why thanks for that, JJ. That was a very important point. But it's just like also maybe you checked my slide, but you can see it. I can see there that you really studied this stuff, and it's the same I just put on the slide. I was about to show that before you said that as well. So yeah, thanks for bringing that up. And like I said, this is, I mean, like JJ said, this is using the hand clock to really know 12, 3, the 6, and then the 9. So the east, the south, and then the west is the 9, of course, and we have the north over there. So as much as this is really interesting of knowing the number of flashes, the rhythm of the flashes also is really quite important. And I think that is where I will start from next week. So Prince, try and memorize this and giving me my first question will be to you. It's Cardinal Mark, you see it at the night, what's he gonna tell you? What's he gonna tell us as well? So I just wanted to try and get our answer in a package, in a nice package, and deliver it. And trust me, you really see yourself more prepared than you are before as well. I think I will place a little pause here. At the end of this series of boys, of course, we'll be having some nice orals, and it will just be mainly boys and situations. But next week, we're going to be entering into the remaining lateral, preferred channel to port, preferred channel to starboard, isolated danger mark, and then the safe water mark. And then the special mark, that's another nightmare that I used to have there. So it's really something that I really love to really bring up. What's this yellow and blue? And then you have to know the occulting, ISO phase flashing, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. But I really want us to really have a view. I'm sure that we'll be able to catch what I said this evening, especially on this point of interest as well. You're coming from southwest, you're coming from south or southeast, and you see that North Cardinal Map. Don't just make any alteration. You're already on the danger zone. Have that awareness in your mind as well. And examiners, those, I mean, the ones in the UK, in Lowell especially, they just want you to tell them you're already in this danger zone and you'll be considering taking all the way off. That you can make a big alteration and find yourself on the northern side. If you're an OW achievement, call the master. You have entered it already, please. Then also rhythm of the lights is really very important as well. Rhythm of the lights for everyone. Is it quick flashing? Is it very quick flashing? How many seconds? And also for after every one, every 5 seconds, 10 seconds for the East Cardinal Marks. Let's try and memorize that, and let's bring that next week. Before I go, do I have any questions in the house? I'll stop sharing now. Everyone is.
I have a serious network issue today.
It's fine. I think sorry, I've been enjoying some honeymoon. I'll gonna make sure I post this one ahead, so anyone who's not able to be in class today can be able to join as well. Again, congratulations to the guys that made their COC. I'm so happy to see more guys coming up. But I keep saying that as long as we live, there is always more steps for us to take. Never relent, never allow what's in your hand to expire before you get to the next stage. That's always more principle. So please, let's now start thinking of the next step. For those who are not able to grab it at this moment, never stop. The more you even learn, the more you become an expert in something. So it just gives you more opportunity, to learn as well. And yeah, then your next shot, trust me, I'm sure you'll be able to get it as well. So next week will be hopefully the rounding up of the boys before we go into the orals for boys. And I want us to bring the revision of what we learned last week, this week, and then let's learn more new things next week as well. So yeah, thank you very much, and enjoy your beautiful week ahead. Thanks JJ for your massive contribution. Sir. Thanks.
Thank you, boss.
Construct Hotel. Thank you very much. I literally thank you, Beatrice. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oscar, Sierra, don't worry. Make sure it's strong next week for next week. Prince, you too much. Thanks, Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
And see you.
I agree too.
All right then. Bye.
Yeah, right.
God
Bye,
bless,
sir.
bless you too much.
Bye.